Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. A small virus is putting or building heavy pressure on the entire globe. Life seems in complete danger. Chaos, disorder, disturbance, everything we watch around the clock in every nook and corner of our state and around the globe. It is better for us to remain in home confinement and do restrict our movements. And when we go out, in case of any emergency, we need to wear masks so that this deadly virus can't enter our respiratory tract, and also should maintain physical distancing while interacting with the people. Today it is subject English class 11th, topic National Prejudices by Oliver Smith, an essay. Dear students, this essay was first published in 1760 in the British magazine. This essay is a very good direction, or we may say intention of author to promote internationalism or to cultivate in us the international understanding. The author is fond of moving here and there, wandering here and there. And one day during his course of travel, his passage of travel, he met a company of some or a few gentlemen. They were engaged in hot debate or discussion on political affairs and social affairs. These gentlemen were discussing actually patriotism or nationalism. The author or the writer of the essay got also involved in this discussion, in this debate. He kept mum for some time, but finally he got involved in this heated discussion. One of the gentlemen said that French people are more flatterers, German are drunkards, Spaniards are more proud and haughty, Englishmen are brave, generous, and virtuous. All rest of the people, except author, did accept what was said by the first gentleman. When author was asked to put light, to give your opinion, to give your views on the same thing or the same discussion or on the same debate, the author excused that I don't know Europe fully because I have not moved in Europe fully, though I will tell something about the people living in these European countries. This was the author's opinion. According to author, Dutch are hardworking, frugal. French are polite, German are hardy and also polite, Spaniards are sober, Englishmen are brave, generous, virtuous, but they are rash. Hearing the opinion of the author, they called him traitor. The author left their company in disgust and called it simply a foolish attempt to argue here. According to author, or the theme of essay says that one can be a patriotic, love his nation without hating the others. So the national prejudice means we should love our own country, there is no doubt, and we should also love other countries too. We should not keep prejudice or hatred inside our hearts for the countries, for rest of the countries which are not our own, but being a global citizen, we should be patriotic to our own nation and also should promote national understanding in us. The author wants us to say a person is not only the citizen of a particular country where he resides, he is also the global citizen. Global citizen. He should have the national understanding and he should leave these things that cause hatred and prejudices for the other nationals. Dear students, the author Oliver Smith wants to tell us, wants to convey us a message that without hating others or without hating other countries, one can remain patriotic because we need to love our own country where we reside, and we should also love other countries that fall in the globe, and we should promote in us national international understanding because today we are global citizens. Keeping bigotry and prejudices for other countries in our hearts, mind and soul is not any form of patriotism. Patriotism simply means to be patriotic, to be the extreme lover of own nation, and one should love other nationals too. One should not have inside heart, inside soul, or inside mind hate for the other countries. So summarizing the fact, this essay finally tells us as a message, you should leave prejudices, bigotry, hatred for other nationals. For example, if you are Indian citizen, you should be patriotic to India. You should love your own nation, that is India, but at the same time, you should not hate your neighboring country like China, Bhutan, Nepal. You should promote in you national, international understanding and international patriotism. Dear students, it's enough for today. Day after tomorrow and tomorrow I shall be live again. For next class, I will deliver something more on this essay. It's a very good essay, a meaningful essay given by Oliver Smith. The piece of a network I have in my mind, I can't upload more than 100 MB videos after capturing it on different social media sites, whether it's a YouTube, it's Facebook, or it's WhatsApp. It is enough for today. Day after tomorrow or tomorrow I shall be live again for next class. But before leaving me class, I am advising you to remain inside your homes. Do remain, stick to the books. Care for your better future. COVID-19 infection is separating all around. You need to restrict your moments. Be blessed and be safe.